Hello friends, in this video we will be seeing important interview questions on PHP. PHP is a very known web development languages, and if you are a web developer or if you're into a full stack development, then you will come across questions in the interview on PHP. So let us start with the questions. So here I have not provided in detailed all the question and answers, the answers especially in detail. So here I would like to introduce the questions and their sample answer. Okay. So what are the variables? Okay, what are the variable naming rules you should follow in PHP? To get the detailed answer, you can Google it because I am concentrating on the question and their sample answer. Okay, so variables can only begin with letters or underscores. Special characters such as plus, percentage, minus, ampersand, etc. cannot be used. What are the main characteristics of a PHP variables? Variables can be declared before the value assignment. A variable value assignment happens using the equals operator. Every variable in PHP is denoted by a dollar sign. The value of a variable depends on its latest assigned value, and PHP variables are not intrinsic. So these are the important characteristics of a PHP variable. What is null in PHP? A null is a special data type in PHP used to denote the presence of only one value, that is null. You cannot assign any other value to it, and null is not case sensitive in PHP and can be declared in two ways as shown below. That is, I have taken this answer from some reference, so you can check that answer. How are the constants defined in PHP? Constants can be defined easily in PHP by making use of the define function. This function is used to define and pull out the values of the constants easily. Constants, as the name suggests, cannot be changed after being definition. What is the use of the constant function in PHP? The constant function is used to retrieve the values predefined in a constant variable. It is used especially when you do not know the name of the variable. What are the various constants predefined in PHP? Underscore method represents the class name. Underscore class returns the class name. Function denotes the function name. Underscore line denotes the working line number. Underscore file represents the path and the file name. What does the phrase PHP escape mean? PHP escape is a mechanism that is used to tell the PHP parser that certain code elements are different from the PHP code. This provides the basic means to differentiate a piece of PHP code from the other aspect of the program. How are two objects compared in PHP? PHP provides you with the double assignment operator, which is used to compare two objects at a time. This is used to check if there is a common presence of attribute and values between the objects in comparison. Next up on these PHP interview questions, you need to understand the fundamental concepts. So I suggest you should go and study the fundamental concepts of PHP. What is the meaning of break and continue statements in PHP? Break. This statement is used in loop construct to terminate the execution of the iteration and to immediately execute the next code snippet outside the scope of the iterating statement. Continue. This statement is used to skip the current iteration of the loop and continue to execute the next iteration until the loop construct is exited. What are some of the popular frameworks in PHP? Code Igniter, Cake PHP, Laravel, Zend, Falcon, and E2 are the important popular known frameworks in PHP. So So how does JavaScript interact with PHP? JavaScript is a client-side programming language while PHP is a server-side scripting language. And PHP has ability to generate JavaScript variables, and this can be executed easily in the browser, and thereby making it possible to pass variables to PHP using simple URL. Does PHP interact with HTML? Yes, HTML and PHP interact is at the core of what makes the PHP functionality. PHP is a server-side scripting language while HTML is a client-side language. This interaction helps bridge the gaps and use best of both languages. So these are some of the important PHP questions that you can expect in your interviews. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.